Today I'm going to school. This is my bag.
Brush.
I like forensic science. Science.
Makaway mga pabango ko. Ay, gusto mga pabango ko. Sa potang 3,000, bibili lang pabango. So,
Each filing that is sprinkled over the magnet acted like a tiny bar magnet. The filings can actually near the magnet. In much the same way a compass needle lines up with it. The patterns of filings form lines around the magnet, as shown in figure 2.3. Notice that the lines are closest together near the poles of the magnet. We saw earlier that the force is strongest near the magnet's poles. The closer the lines of force, the stronger the force. The lines are farthest apart where the force is weakest. The region around the magnet where the magnetic force acts is called the magnetic field. Figure 2 to 3 B shows how the magnetic field acts between like poles of two magnets. The field lines from each of these poles bend away from the pole of the other magnet. When you bring unlike poles near each other, as in figure 223C, the filings line up to reveal that the magnetic field links the two poles. The previous activity can help explain the behavior of the one magnet in the presence of another magnet. You've observed evidence of a magnetic field in the interaction between the magnetic poles. But how do you explain the behavior of the single magnet suspended in a compass? What causes the magnet to point north and south and south? It seems as if Earth itself has a magnetic field. By looking at the direction of the compass based on over the world, we can make a big map for Earth in the same way we did using filings in a bar magnet. When this is done, we get a pattern like the one in figure 2.1. Compare the pattern around Earth to the one the iron filings made around a single bar magnet. Okay, later let me go on.
Inugasan mo muna.
Then it's Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. The Wednesday. Dun, 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 dun.